Good evening. I'm sorry that I did not post a live video yesterday. Time just got away from me. You know how that is. And I might talk about my Mojo fuel tank, which is what I'm going to be talking about this evening. We all know the people, the situations, and the activities that bring us down. In like manner, we know the people, situations, and activities that bring us up. I'm going to ask you to make a list of all the people, situation, and activities that bring you down and the ones that bring you up, and compare those lists. It goes without saying they're going to be completely different, and you're going to see a lot of difference in what you feel when you look at each one of them. We are in complete control of our Mojo fuel tank. People that bring you up, fill your Mojo fuel tank. People that bring you down, deplete it. Sometimes we have to engage in an activity that we don't really want to do, like, let's say, pay for bills. Who likes to pay for bills? I mean, if you do, please. I've got a few bills I could throw your way, okay? But as we sit and write those checks or we make our automatic bill payments on the computer, you're calculating in your head, wondering if you have enough money to live on for the next month. You may be thinking if you have enough money to just go and play a little bit and enjoy yourself. By the time you're finished, you're completely depleted. You might say your Mojo fuel tank is pretty much down. But what if I suggested to you that you made a contract with yourself or a deal with yourself that after you deplete your Mojo fuel tank, you fill it up again? Think of an activity that just brings you joy. Maybe it's listening to some great music. Maybe it's dancing in the kitchen with nobody watching. By the way, did you know you burn so many calories and you take so many steps when you dance in the kitchen? I'm just telling you that. I'm a Weight Watcher. I heard it last week at my meeting. I digress. Anyway, after you're finished paying your bills, make a contract with yourself to do something that fills your Mojo fuel tank. If you like to garden, get outside and do some gardening. Cut some flowers, make an arrangement. If you like to cut the grass or dig in the dirt or pull weeds, do that after you've depleted your Mojo fuel tank, and you'll find that your Mojo fuel tank will fill up again. In your reinvention map, road, endeavor, your Mojo fuel tank plays a critical part, and you have control over it. If somebody asks you if you'd like to do something or go with them somewhere or do something for them or whatever, and your Mojo fuel tank is feeling a little depleted, feel free to say no. A couple of ways that you can say it is, I'm not saying no to you, I'm saying yes to me. Or, gee, I can't do it this week. Would next week work? That way you're keeping your Mojo fuel tank in check. It feels so much better to end a day when your Mojo fuel tank is full and not depleted. And remember, only you can manage that. Have a great rest of the evening. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.